So here we got the exact leaks of iPhone SE or maybe the iPhone XE. And we also got the leaks of upcoming AirPods which are going to be called as AirPods Pro. And guys, most of the information is taken from Everything Apple Pro, and this is Naveed Ahmed Khan and you're watching Checo Tech. And now let's talk about the upcoming AirPods. Apple is trying to give them a brand new name as AirPods Pro with a brand new design than the older ones. And they are going to be the in-ear AirPods with bigger drivers and bigger battery, which will provide a better sound experience and better battery life. And guys, according to some leaks, their battery life will be double than the older ones. And guys, if we talk about their pricing and launch date, they are going to launch in early 2020 with a price tag of $200 to $250. Now let's talk about the iPhone SE2. And guys, Apple is trying to give them a different name, that is iPhone XE. And guys, if we talk about the design of iPhone XE, it will look exactly like iPhone XR from the back, and from the front it will look like iPhone 8. And in front there is 4.7-inch liquid retina display touchscreen with big bezels. And guys, if we talk about the hardware of the phone, it will come with the A13 Bionic chip with a 5G chipset with 3GB of RAM, and the phone will come in 3 different colors, that is red, silver and space gray. And guys, if we talk about the pricing and launch date of iPhone SE2, it will cost around $399 for 64GB variant and $490 for 128GB variant. And according to some rumors, it will launch in early 2020. And guys, tell me in the comment section what is your thoughts on the naming of iPhone SE2 and AirPods 3. And thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will keep you updated.